To create a step-by-step Authorize Net payment form, you need to start by setting up an account with Authorize Net and obtaining an API login ID and transaction key. These credentials will be used to authenticate your payment requests. Next, you need to choose the type of payment form you want to create. Either a simple payment form or a more advanced form with additional features such as recurring billing or customer profiles. Once you have determined the type of form you need, you can begin building it by including the necessary fields such as card number, expiration date, and card code. You also need to include a field for the customer to enter their billing information. You will then need to add the Authorize Net API to your form, which will allow you to send the payment information to Authorize Net for processing. This is typically done using a programming language such as PHP or Java. After the form is submitted, the payment information is sent to Authorize Net for processing. If the payment is approved, Authorize Net will return a response indicating that the payment was successful. If the payment is declined, Authorize Net will return an error message indicating the reason for the decline. It is also important to note that you need to make sure your payment form is secure by using HTTPS and following the payment card industry data security standards. This will help protect your customers' sensitive payment information. Finally, you should test your payment form thoroughly to make sure it is working correctly and that payments are being processed successfully. This includes testing different payment scenarios, such as a successful payment, a declined payment, and a payment with an error. By following these steps, you can create a secure and effective Authorize Net payment form that will allow your customers to make payments online. Remember to always follow best practices for security and testing to ensure that your payment form is reliable and trustworthy.